Gikundi kimwe na rito Society for Biotech kiria kiri na ataaramu baguchunku na BIAKURIA bya science KUUGA no gikugwata mbaru utumiri bwa BIAKURIA na IMERA bya GMO BARIUGA ni bethiritwe akirima kotune GMO na umane atiri no guni bobu ngikiri murimi. Gikundi giki nande kirende kithia kwithirwa na moritani ja kung'ana kiri ya Kenya kienda bamenya moguni jaria IMERA bibi jari na jo Boniface Mongera na tatoije.
Gikundi kia arimi ba IMERA bya GMO na rito Society for Biotech Farmers of Kenya keria kithirito kirima bambe kina ndithito giutaramu kira borota na rito biti igishumirite na kuwata thirikari Kenya mbaru kwithirwa ikiambiria urimi bwa GMO igitongeretwe mukariti Daniel Mang'ondu baruga nthiguru Kenya itakwithirwa ikingi irio na gutonekana mpara kairi IMERA bibi bya GMO byambiria kwandwa.
Until when will farmers keep on sharing their sweat with pests, crop diseases and drought? When there is when there is a lasting solution in the modern agricultural biotechnology like genetically modified crops.
Mang'ondu eshoka akathombera rito nteto iji araku antu babaingi bethirito beria GMO ntuko na kobora bakwithira bepinga ni umenyo batinabu kana aboshiethia.
I'm standing with the government on the lifting of GM ban because it is beneficial to farmers of this republic.
Farmers should be left out of any GMO's politics. We distance ourselves from a group calling themselves Kenyan Peasant League. Kenya Peasant League does not understand the plight for our smallholder farmers. If they did, they would have been in the forefront advocating for adoption of improved seeds.
Atiri kumando wali nyingisha kuthombia urimi wa GMO kwithira shikiomboka thirikari Kenya nithiritu gitatantae na inyana mo kwithira kinyira breaks ende kibale bakwithira bepinga nteto iji no bendete kwithira bemipinga ja kwangerekano gikundi kiorega na thirikari Azimio kithia kio kingi nakyo kibara bomenda beromba thirikari ithira ishumiria na kwerithia mwingi imbiugoto GMO.
The government and other stakeholders should move with speed to address misinformation and perceptions about GMOs. We note with concern that lots of lies about GMOs have been spread widely, and this may affect policy decisions and uptake of GM technology.
Young girls and young boys who are in the universities and working in the laboratories developing crops, they cannot develop a crop that will produce poison and then give it to their families.
Kuma mweri muthiru ikundi bibingi bithiritu bishumire na kwaria nteto ja GMO birio ikundi byari mu university barabethira baita mathomo jotana borimi arabethirito bakiuga rwali rwa GMO rutibatere kwithira rukiugwa na gutijanirwo.
These farmers who are behind me and the others who are left outside there, they are waiting for the BT maize seeds like yesterday. So we are very much in support of modern agricultural biotechnology tool.
Nke report Rantoshero TV Njuma kumaja kengina ngine kithoke Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.